Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SEI. In my earlier video, I was showing you that on a daily time frame chart, the price line of SEI broke down the support of a falling wedge pattern, and after visiting a very high demand zone, a key demand zone, it was again moved up. And this was my last video, by the way. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after visiting this key demand zone, by the way, this key demand zone starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that whenever the price line is visiting this demand zone, we are watching very, very massive rallies after that. Like after this rally, and the price line again dropped down inside this demand zone from 22 to 22 cents to 20 cents, then we had a very, very massive rally, and again, it formed this falling wedge pattern and tested this key demands on here. Then we had a very, very massive rally this time. Even after the breakdown from this wedge, we had a long spike to the downside. And after visiting this key demands on, price and is once again bounced very well. And now if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few days, it is trying to break out the same resistance of the falling wedge pattern that was recently broken down. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SEI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with the members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this wedge. And after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, finally we broke down the support rather than breaking out the resistance. Despite this was the bullish bias move, but this time we have broken down the support of this wedge. And the technical target for this breakdown from this falling wedge pattern is by the way here. That is approximately at 16 cents. And so far the price end is dropped up to 18.8 cents and could not break down this support zone. That is a very, very high demand zone that starts from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. Therefore, despite this long spike, the price and could not break it down, and now it is geared up, and now it has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was previously broken out. If we take a look at the previous history of this demand zone, then you can see that whenever it is entering inside this demand zone, we are watching very, very nice rallies after that, like it was happening here in the month of December 2023. It was happening here in the month of August 2024, and by the way, at that time, we also broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. And this time, again, it is bounced very well. And now it is trying to break out the same resistance of the falling wedge pattern that was recently broken down. For example, if the price line will be once again rejected by this resistance, then it can again test this key demand zone. However, in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the technical target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at 70 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we can also break out this very long-term down trend line resistance as well, and this up trend line support as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $1 to $1.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.